Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the first ever announcement of the winners of the MENA Banking Excellence Awards. We are absolutely delighted to have you with us today. MEED, in partnership with Private Banker International and Retail Banker International, launched these awards in early 2022. Since then, we have received a remarkable volume of entries of an incredibly high quality from banks and financial institutions from across the MENA region. So why are we doing this? The financial services sector is a significant player in the ongoing development of the MENA region. Moreover, the Middle East is becoming a benchmark of success to global banks and financial institutions. So we're here today to recognise it. We're here to recognise the leaders and the institutions who are responsible for pioneering banking excellence from across the MENA region. Our first awards today celebrate the People Awards, recognising the leaders and individuals responsible for driving change in the industry, leading their organisations and their teams forward. Our next awards recognise excellence in product, technology and customer experience. And now we celebrate the banks and financial institutions who are setting the standards in ESG, environment, social and governance. Introducing our next category, which recognises the banks and financial institutions leading their countries. Please join me in congratulating the winners for each of the regions of the MENA Banking Excellence Awards. Our last set of announcements is a review of everything that's gone before. We've looked to the regions, we've looked at specialisms within financial institutions, and now we recognise and reward the MENA Trailblazers of 2022. The very best of the best. Congratulations. What a wonderful first edition of the MENA Banking Excellence Awards. Thank you to everybody who participated this year and helping us to bring this first edition to market. This time next year we will be together. Please watch out for announcements from the team to let you know how to get involved in the 2023 MENA Banking Excellence Awards.